We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally pronounced as director. You do want to stress on the second syllable, the rec syllable, director. Director. In American English, however, this is usually said as director, director, director in American English versus director in British English. Did you get it? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.